Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing this 3 beautiful Coach bag that I picked up during the Coach summer sale. So let me start with this beauty right here. So this is the smallest bag, and let me show you first. Okay. Oh my gosh. So this is a barrel bag. As you guys could see, the first thing I've noticed when I saw this bag is its beautiful and unique cylindrical design. So as you guys could see right here, I mean, the shape of the bag is so unique, and I think I've tried it in the store, and as long as my Plus phone could fit, I am good. So let me show you this beautiful clay color first. Right here, it is very soft and so smooth. The suede feels really, really good. Right here, very nice. I mean, initially I wanted to get the maple or the dark chocolate. I just really wanted to get one in my collection, and I don't know if I don't know. I'm not sure if I am getting this with the intention of using it or just to have it in my collection as a display. And pretty much this is what's gonna happen with this clay suede. So right here it has this gold brass hardware. I think, yeah, it's pretty smooth. So the zipper pull glides in smoothly, which is quite nice. And then it has those minimal logo, which is really amazing. I mean, right now a lot of the Coach bags, they are releasing a lot of those minimal logo, which makes the bag really look amazing. So anyway, it has the shoulder strap right here, a shoulder short strap, which is actually in suede, and then the other side it's in leather right here, which is very nice. I love this color so much. And then the interior, this is a long crossbody strap. It is removable and adjustable. And then this is the interior. I mean, it is very soft, so pretty much the bag, you could just really open the bag real wide. This has all the stuffing. Pretty much I got a new one. And then the interior is lined with the jacquard material. And then it has the leather lining. And then, like I said, as long as my Plus phone could fit in here, I am sold. So pretty much it actually, yeah, it fits perfectly. And then you have plenty of room for your everyday essentials like your wallet, your keys, and other few small items. So yeah, I mean, it is small yet still being practical, I must say. So right here, and then I love it. I really love it. And I paid $98 on this, and right now it is 50% off on the Coach website. That is $97.50. This one is original price as $195 US, which is not bad at all. And if for any reason in the next few months or so, if they would mark down the maple and the chocolate, I'll get it. I would definitely gonna purchase it in a heartbeat. So this is how it looks on the side. Right here. I mean, if you are looking for a bag that is really simple yet stylish and something that is so easy to wear every day, I really think the barrel bag, the small barrel bag, is perfect. And I could not believe that this bag is so small, yet it could fit a lot of my essentials. And yeah, it is the neutral color. Pretty much it goes with any of your outfit. So that is my take on this. So yeah, I saw this in a Coach website today when I filmed it, and I think the price is pretty good. So this is the first item that I picked up. Next, so moving on to the next bag, and it is no other than right here, this beautiful maple color. It is so rich. And look at this. Wow. So this is my second Empire 34 in my collection, and I love it. So as soon as I found out that this is on sale, right away, I didn't even think twice to purchase it. The color is stunning. So let me show you this beauty. Oh gosh, it is so soft. I mean, I would say, I love the structure of this bag. It is so elegant. I don't know if it is just me, but I love the elegant structure of it. So this is made up of full grain leather, and it is glazed. So what that means is that this one is highly polished. So it has some sheen to it. And when I picked this up, they gave me a brand new one, and it's very, very shiny, and I didn't like that look. So I asked them if they have any other stock at the back, and they said they do. And I made a little bit of a comparison, and I found one that it's not very shiny. I don't know. I didn't really like the look, the shiny look of it, the high polished look of this bag. I like when it's matte finish. I really love the look of it. And looking at it right now, the leather, as you guys could see, the leather seems a little bit like crumpled. I'm seeing a crease around it, and I love that look. And the other one, the one that they gave me was very, very shiny. I didn't like it. So I'm glad that I found the one that's not shiny at all. So right here, this has the handle, which you can only wear it in your shoulder. It does not come with a shoulder strap, for a crossbody shoulder strap. So right here on the side, this one, you could extend this. As you guys could see, that the bag, you could cinch it right at the corner. I don't know, I just love the structure of this one, and very soft and supple. And then when you open it, it is very it has a wide opening. That's because of the leather. So the leather is it is pliable, and it allows you to open wider. There's a lot of space for your essentials, pretty much. It has a side pocket, and then that's pretty much what's in here right there. And that it is so simple, yet very, very elegant. And I was thinking of getting black, but I already have the Love Leather, and I love that one so much. They also have it in warm brown, which is in suede. I mean, if I was given an opportunity, I mean, the price is pretty much the same. Right now, it's $237.50. And if I were to choose between the two, definitely I would choose the leather. I mean, the suede is also it's also pretty. But yes, I opt into getting leather over a suede. So yeah, this is so pretty. I love the elongated style to it. So this is my second Empire in my collection, and I think I would say I'm good. I'm good with my Empire. The maple is such an amazing color, guys. So yeah, this bag is so minimal. So it just has this logo, the Coach logo right there, which is really perfect. Moving on to the third bag that I've purchased for the Coach summer sale is another Empire on the size 21. Oh my gosh. So I was so happy. They gave me the one that is still in the manufacturer's packaging. And wow, definitely my first impression is that the bag is gorgeous. I love the size. It is so beautiful. The suede is so smooth and so supple, and the color is so elegant. So yeah, she is just fresh from the manufacturer's packaging. Right here, I love removing all those protective film to it. The bag is very, very well protected. So this one, the Empire, has a very minimal hardware. Right here, I love the fact that this has feet to it. Right there. And then I think the size is perfect. That could definitely fit with all my essentials, my phone, wallet, keys, and all other small items. I love the handle. The handle for this is pretty amazing. And also, you know, guys, when you purchase something online or in store, most of the time the strap is a little bit distorted. However, that could be corrected. And when I saw that they gave me the brand new one, I was very, very happy. Oh my gosh. The color is so amazing. And gosh, the packaging, the time, the effort that they put into this packaging is pretty amazing. Suede is very delicate, so I am expecting that this should be well packaged and protected. Look at that. And I think they have another one that's also on sale, which is in clay. I already have 2 clay in my collection. I was thinking of actually getting all the colors for the 21. I think the 21 is the cutest, and definitely it is perfect as an everyday bag, depending on how much you carry in your bag. I think this is just perfect for me. I think it's perfect for night out. You could dress it up, dress it down, and it has a crossbody strap as well. But because the strap, it's not collapsible, it's just stay up like this. So it's a little bit awkward wearing as a crossbody bag. But I love top handle bags, and I think this will be perfect. right here, a 360 look of this beauty right here. And I think currently this one is sold out on the Coach website and other store. They're still available, but it is a little bit, I think this is around 195 US dollars, and I think it is worth it. Definitely worth it if you're looking for the bag for the upcoming fall. I think it is perfect. The price is perfect as well. It is affordable pretty much, and I think this bag, this color is perfect for fall. That is my thoughts in it. So what do you guys think? Did anybody of you picked up the barrel bag or the Empire 34 or the 21? Which one is your favorite among the three? And which material do you guys like the most? Do you prefer a suede or leather or both? Or for me personally, like I said, I just wanted to get one of each in the collection. But as soon as they marked them down, I would say I want it all. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. And pretty much I am very happy with my purchase. That's because I got them in a markdown prices. I did not pay full price, and it would hurt so much. I mean, I have learned the hard way in the past that, you know, if I wanted to add any couch in my collection, especially the items that they're the hype items, I would say, I know in the next few months or so this will go on sale, and I will definitely gonna regret it. And as of this moment, I am not in a rush to add any in my collection, and I think I made the right decision this time to wait, and I am very, very happy with my purchase. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.